just admiring the beauty of your body and your mind. It's like a star found a way to manifest in humankind. It's no wonder why those midnight conversations lit me up. When I stare into your eyes, I feel my body get a rush. Sometimes I overreact, forgetting attached, 'cause I don't wanna fail, I wanna fall. And on your troubling days when nothing's okay, I can be the one for you to call. I'm at your fingertips, even if I'm 1,000 miles away. No matter what it is, you never ever have to be afraid. I'm at your fingertips, making sure we never separate. No matter what it is, I'll give you the time of the day. Oh, don't ever forget. I'm at your fingertips. Don't ever forget. I'm at your fingertips. Like an echo, I just hope we could repeat the good vibes. 'Cause I know that it'll help me deal with all the goodbyes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You unlocked a part of me I didn't know I have inside. And it helped me be more honest when you're right here by my side. Baby, the least I could do is be there for you, even if there's an ocean in between. 'Cause if you can't get in touch with someone you trust, you can come to me, the light is green. I'm at your fingertips, even if I'm 1,000 miles away. No matter what it is, you never ever have to be afraid. I'm at your fingertips, making sure we never separate. No matter what it is, I'll give you the time of the day. Oh, don't ever forget. I'm at your fingertips. Don't ever forget. I'm at your fingertips. I'ma be available to remind you what you're worth. Be the one who gives you all the love that you deserve. Stare into the sky with you, wishing that this never ends. Find a way to lift you up with the time that we spend. I'm at your fingertips, even if I'm 1,000 miles away. No matter what it is, you never ever have to be afraid. I'm at your fingertips, making sure we never separate. No matter what it is, I'll give you the time of the